All right, here's another example of rationalizing the denominator, but now the denominator has two terms. So when the denominator has two terms like this, we multiply by the conjugate. Remember, the conjugate is you just change the sign. The conjugate of a plus b is a minus b. Likewise, the conjugate of a minus b is a plus b. It's like the opposite. So the conjugate of 2 minus root 5 is 2 plus root 5. As we talked about before, if I multiply the bottom by 2 plus root 5, I got to multiply the top, because now it's like multiplying by 1, which isn't going to change the value. Let me put parentheses around this. So in the top, I'm going to wait to distribute. You'll see why in a minute. Usually you want to wait, because this might simplify. So what do we get here? Well, 2 times 2 is 4. Here we get positive 2 root 5. Here we get negative 2 root 5. When you multiply by conjugate, the outside and inside terms always add to 0. And then we get minus root 5 times positive root 5 is a minus 5. Right? So what do we get? 3, let me distribute now, because this is not going to simplify with that. We get what? 6 plus 3 root 5 over negative 1. But remember, with fractions, the negative could be brought out in front or put in the top. So this is the same as minus 6 plus 3 root 5 over positive 1. I just brought that to the top. While over 1, that's going to go away, and we get minus 6 minus 3 root 5. And that is our simplified answer, that now there is no denominator, so it is rationalized.